Today I ran no cooling coil on the system, just got it back up and running. Turned out the capacitor was bad, causing the fan motor not to even turn on at all, and the compressor would trip and trip the contactor. Switched it out for 2 single poles. Since I don't have a 70/7.5 in my van, I have a 70 and a 7.5, which is actually better because in that way, whichever one of these two goes out, it's cheaper to replace. Fan motor is now working, but it is still failing. You can see the oil residue on the top. The shaft has clay, and from up here, let's see what the maximum is: 7.75, 78.9. Maximum temperatures are supposed to be 180. I'm going to double check that with taking the fan out, and then we'll see where we're at from there.